According to the U.S. Fire Administration, each year in the United States, fire departments respond to over 1 million fires of all types. In addition to the tragic deaths and injuries caused by some fires, they also annually result in billions of dollars in property damage. Many of these fires occur in people's homes and businesses and can be caused by everything from cooking mishaps and electrical malfunctions to arson. No matter the cause, the damage and destruction caused by a building fire and efforts to extinguish it can be extensive and are often obvious. Depending on the scope of the structure fire, type of building it takes place in, and proximity to other homes or buildings, it is possible for there to be additional property damage that might not be immediately evident. This damage could be in other parts of the same building, such as in adjacent units in an apartment or office complex, or even in nearby buildings not directly touched by flames. Two causes of this type of property damage following a fire include smoke and water damage. Fires typically produce an enormous amount of smoke that can be carried some distance in the wind and often easily infiltrates adjoining properties and nearby buildings. This smoke is filled with combustion byproducts that include soot, ash, and char that can have damaging effects to both properties and to humans breathing the smoke-filled air. In addition to leaving behind unpleasant odors, smoke residues can cause corrosion, etching, and discoloration within a property. Water damage from fire suppression efforts can also damage building materials, furnishings, and belongings away from the actual flames. For example, water used to put out a fire in a third-floor apartment will eventually make its way down to the lowest level it can reach. There may be obvious signs of damage, such as waterlogged floors, but even water and moisture left behind walls and ceilings without clear signs of its presence can cause property damage and quickly lead to the growth of mold. In fact, mold can begin to grow in as short as 48 hours, and the presence of elevated levels of mold will impact the building's indoor air quality. Exposure can cause everything from allergies and hypersensitivity pneumonitis to triggering asthma in those with the condition. Some types of mold can even cause infections in people with a weakened immune system. In addition, some older homes and buildings that have been damaged and require remediation or rebuilding may now also face dangers associated with lead-based paints and asbestos. These are just a few things to know about property damage following a fire. To learn more about this or other health and safety, indoor air quality, occupational, or environmental issues, please visit the website shown on the screen.
IAQ TV, the place to be.